Hello kids, myself Jyoti Nahar from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota, and today we are going to study Environmental Science chapter number 3, Sense Organs. We are going to do the bookwork with it. We have already studied about sense organs. In this, you know that we have 5 sense organs. And what are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Let us discuss in brief. We have eyes. They help us to see. You can see. What do you see all around you? You can see pencils, books. You can see mobile phones, TV. All these things you are able to see with your eyes. So your eyes help you to see. And the second sense organ is ears. Ears help us to hear. You can hear the sound of bell, sound of drum, your toys, the alarm clock, the guitar music which is given by guitar. All these you are able to hear with the ears. And the next one is nose. And nose, it helps you to smell. You can smell the fragrance of deodorant, you can smell the fragrance of flowers, food items. Your mama is cooking food and you can smell it outside even. So what is helping you to smell? Nose is helping you to smell. And the fourth sense organ is tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. You like to have ice creams, fruits, jellies, all these you can taste with your tongue. And the next sense organ, that is the last sense organ, is skin. And the skin helps you to feel. You can feel the smoothness, you can feel the teddy bear with how soft it is, the coffee mug if it is hot. All these things you can feel with the skin. So children, we are going to discuss the bookwork, and the bookwork is given to you on page number 22. So children, open your books. We are going to do the bookwork. The first exercise is fill in the blanks. So kids, pick up your pencils and write down the answers that I am writing. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. R dash. What are these? Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. These are our 5 sense organs. Then we breathe and smell with our we breathe, and what is used while breathing? We use our nose. We smell with our nose. And the third one, I taste and lick with my dash. When you are having ice cream, what do you do with your tongue? You lick it. So what is being used? You are licking your ice cream with your tongue. Tongue. Then fourth one, take a bath to keep your dash clean. When you bathe daily, you are helping the skin to be clean. You are keeping your skin clean. So you should take bath daily to keep your skin clean. So these are the 4 fill in the blanks that you are going to write in your book. Now let us write the spellings on the board, children. So kids, our first fill in the blank was eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. What are these? These are our 5 sense organs. So what is the spelling? Write the spelling with me. F-I-V-E 5, S-E-N-S-E, sense, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs, 5 sense organs. Then the second one is we breathe and smell with our nose. So you are going to write the spelling N-O-S-E, nose. Then the third one, I taste and lick with my tongue. So what is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. Be careful children, what is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. And the fourth one, take a bath to keep your skin clean. So what is the spelling of skin? S-K-I-N, skin. So children, complete the bookwork as I have written on the board. Let us discuss the second exercise. So children, again we have another exercise on page number 22, and that is match the columns. Some clues are given in the first column. You have to match them with the correct pictures which are given in column B. First column, first question. What is it? It is cold to touch. Children, what is cold to touch? When you touch ice, when you take out ice from the refrigerator, what do you feel? You feel it cold. So here ice is given. So you are going to put number 1 before the picture of ice. Second one, it is loud to hear. Children, when you burst crackers, when crackers burst out, what is the sound? It is very loud, isn't it? So we are going to put number 2 because they are loud to hear. Crackers are given here. The bursting of crackers make loud sound. So number 2 we are going to put against crackers. Number 3, it is bitter in taste. What is bitter in taste? Kids, when mama gives you medicine, you feel it bitter in taste. So we are given medicines here. So we are going to put number 3. Then the fourth one, it is bad in smell. Children, when you come near the garbage, what do you feel? They give out bad smell. So here garbage is given to you. So what is bad in smell? Garbage is bad in smell. So you are going to put number 4. Fifth one, it is nice to see. Yes kids, when you get your report card and when you get good marks, what do you feel? You feel very nice to see the report card. We are going to put number 5 over here where your report card is shown, because you feel very nice when you see A+ in your report cards. So this was all about the bookwork, and so children, you are going to do the bookwork in your books in a very beautiful handwriting. Okay, take care. Thank you.